Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use AI for making a QR code and making it stylish. First of all, open your browser, then go to Quick QR Art. Now scroll down and go to this website. Now scroll down and you can make a QR code for pretty much everything. Like you can make a QR code for text, email, location, phone, and stuff. I'm gonna make a QR code for ChatGPT's link. I'm gonna paste the link here. Here you can customize your QR code. For example, you can change the color or you can even use gradients, and you can change the design of the QR code like this one, or even this one. I like to stay simple. Choose its border from here. The border center. If you want to paste a logo here, you can do that as well. And customize the frame and stuff. And you can even change its size and precision. Now click on save after you're done customizing, and save this QR code in a PNG file. Now once you're done with the QR code, you can stylize it by joining their Discord server. Click on join beta now. You will get a Discord invite. Accept that invite. Once you're in the server, go to paste pin and paste your picture here, the one you downloaded. I'm just gonna drag it here and paste it. Click enter. Once you're done with that, click on this image. Now right click and click on copy image address. Now go to Pixel MLBot, type in here /generate. Now fill these options like how you want your picture to be, like ultra realistic, epic realms and stuff, luminous highway. I want it to be ultra realistic. Prompt like what picture do you want in your QR code, like I want a robot, and paste the image address you copied in this URL box. Click enter and boom, it will provide you with a good looking QR code. Click on the image and save this image as you want. Now you can even provide feedback on how the QR coded. Is it scannable? Is it not scannable? And stuff. And so that's how you can use AI for making a cool looking QR code. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.